Okay. Hi children. Next, say whether the following statements are true or false. See, true means it is correct. False means it is wrong. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5 children. No. See, 3 in a mind, 2 on finger. After 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. Yes? No or no? It is correct. So, 3 plus 2 is 5. So, this is true. 6 plus 6 is 4. No, this is false. So, here is the word problems given here. What is there? One day Sita ate 3 bananas. How many bananas she ate? 3 bananas she ate. 1, 2 and 3 bananas she ate. Next, what is there? In the morning and 2 bananas in the evening. See, in the morning 3 bananas and 2 bananas in the evening she ate. Totally altogether how many bananas? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer is 5 here. So 5 bananas she ate. What is given here? Then Sita ate 6 bananas in a day. See, Sita ate 6 bananas here. No, she ate how many bananas? Only 5 bananas. So this is false. Next, Raju participates a song 3 times in the morning. Raju practices. See, Raju practices song 3 times in the morning and 5 times in the evening. So 3 plus 5 is 8. So Raju practiced 8 times on that day. It is true. See, if you want to calculate, you can calculate in this method also. See, 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. So answer is correct, 8 times. So next, fifth one. Rama has 5 marbles. Marbles means goli. And Rahim has 4 marbles in their pockets. See, Rama has 5 and Rahim has 4. So Rama and Rahim together have 10 marbles. Is it true? 5 plus 4 is 10. 5 plus 4 is 10 children. 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is false. Next, Charan has 5 pens. Chandana has 7 pens. They have together 15 pens. So what is the total here? So 5, next 7 in a mind, 5 on finger. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So together it is 12 pens. But they have told they have 15 pens altogether. So answer is false. Next, add. See, it's very easy. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Next, 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 3, 10, 11, 12. See, 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, 12. So this is how addition. Here, 1 plus 0. So number added to 0 is always the number. Okay. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 6. 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 plus 0 is 9. 8, 9, 10. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus, see, 6 plus 8 is how much? If you don't know, see, take the help of fingers. Okay, 8 in a mind, 6 on fingers. 8, after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 1, 14. So answer is 14. Next, say the answer orally. A fruit vendor has 9 mangoes and 8 apples in the basket. See, 9 mangoes and 8 apples in the basket. How many fruits are there in the basket? What is there? See, 9 mangoes and 8 apples. So there are how many? 17 mangoes in the basket. So 17 is the answer. Raju has kept 7 books in school bags. See, 7 books in school bags. 6 books in the shelf. How many books altogether? So altogether means how many books? So 7 in a mind, 6 on fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Another one 6 is 13. So there were totally 13 books in the shelf altogether. A balloon seller is holding 3 balloons. See, a balloon seller is holding 3 balloons in his right hand and 6 balloons in his left hand. See, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons in the left hand. How many balloons altogether? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Altogether 9 balloons. Okay. Here 13 books. Here 17 mangoes. Next. A girl is wearing 8 bangles on one hand. See, 8 bangles on one hand and 6 bangles on the other hand. So 8 plus 6 how much? 8 in the mind, 6 on finger. See, here is 5, another finger is here folding. Okay. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, another one is 14. So there are 14 bangles altogether. Okay, children, this finishes your mental arithmetic. So next, what is there? Lesson number 14 is money. So what is meant by money? Money means rupees here. Money, 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 coins are many. Drop them all one by one. Hear the sound ton ton ton. See, if you drop a coin, we can hear a sound of ton ton ton. Yeah, try it at your home. Okay. What is situation number 1? See here. If you want to buy something, then you need a money. So what is there here? See, child. Mother is asking, child, what do you want? See, mama is asking, child, what do you want? Mother. See, child is telling mother, I want to buy pencil. See, if you want to buy a pencil, then what do you need? You need a money. What is second situation here? See here. Mother, I want banana. I need dash to give the vendor. What she want to give? She want to give a money. I need money to give the vendor. What is there in third situation? See, child is asking, give me. Uncle, I want ice cream. No, vendor is asking here, give me. What he is asking? He is asking the money. So, he is asking, uncle, I want ice cream. See, if you want to buy a ice cream, then what you have to do? You have to give a money. Next situation number 4. See here. I will give you a balloon. You should give me. What she has to give? She has to give a money. M-O-N-E-Y. Money. Uncle, I want balloon. She is asking balloon and he is telling, okay, I'll give you a balloon, but you have to give me money. Next situation. What is there? What is required to buy the articles in the above situations? So what is there? Write your answer or response in this box. So we need a money to buy something. Okay. Next. You know that money is required to buy things in our country. Money is in the form of coins and notes. See, money is in the form of a coins. So this is a coins. You go and ask your mama to show this 50 paisa coins, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coins, 5 rupees coin and 10 rupees coins. So it was an old currency, children, all this. So now it is 1 rupee is running, 2 rupees is running, 5 rupees it is there, but 10 rupees somewhere it is not going on. Okay. Where is 50 paisa? This is called as 50 paisa. 50 paisa. This is called 1 rupee. See here 1 is written on this. So this is called as 1 rupee. And this is 2 rupees. 5 rupees, 10 rupees. Okay. These are commonly used notes. See, these are the notes. These are the old notes. Now the notes has been changed. Okay. Look at the given notes and tell their values. See what is there in the note, on the note here. See, it is 1. So it is 1 rupee. This is 2 rupees. 5 rupees. Still this 5 rupees is there. And this 10 rupees also is there, children. This 20 rupees is old note. Okay, 20 rupees and 50 rupees here. So this is an additional information what they are giving. This is the Indian currency. This is about this. I'll explain you next class, children.